Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. Great news in front of us right here. We have the newest pair of Pradas. These are going to be the Havana rubbers with polar gray lenses. Now, as we get into this video, top link in the description box below will be these exact same pair of sunglasses where you can pick them up yourself and read more about them. The company does give you a nice little cleaning cloth kit, spray, microfiber towel, etc. Very cool. Let's go ahead and get them out. We'll try them on my face and show you how they look on myself. Of course, Prada case. We do have a little brochure. And we do have also another microfiber cloth right here. Okay, your signature Prada case right here. This is hardened plastic, flips up on the top right here. And then we have our Pradas right here. Prada logo, nice micro felt right here on the interior of the case. And let's get the protective layer off right here. Now, I've already taken these out of the case and they are super cool. And we'll get some better shots up close. But notice the blue on the side, a very kind of subtle blue, dark blue Prada logo right here on the side, and then tortoiseshell coming around. Let's move that out of the way so we can get some light coming through right here. As we can see the tortoiseshell, the light coming through the lens frames there. So the frames are going to be tortoiseshell, darker tortoiseshell as we can see, and then the polar gray lenses. But then the sides are going to be this beautiful blue with the red Prada logo. On the interior portion, of course, they say Prada, all that good stuff. They are kind of like a flexible, a little bit of like a flexible material type of, so it's not like super hard plastic. It's a little flexible right here, as well as the frames. Very lightweight. And these are polarized. Let's go ahead and remove that sticker there. And very subtle, very subtly top corner here, it says Prada and PRZ, I believe that is, for polarized. So very cool. Let's try these on my face and talk you through the features. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at the Pradas a little bit closer. Number one, first impressions, these things are crazy light where you barely notice that you're wearing sunglasses. I'm talking these are crazy light. Here's a little bit better of an image of the blue and then with the dark tortoiseshell here. So you can still see my eyes a little bit. Let's get you a shot of the lenses here. The lenses, very beautiful. It's like looking out of a very high-end pair of tinted windows. Not too dark, not too light, just right. I think they look good on my face with the balance, how they're a little bit rounded, not too flat. Thin earpieces here. And these are going to be great if you're golfing, playing pickleball. They're very light on the face, and those are not moving at all, as you can see right there. And if you are wondering, the hinges don't go that direction. They just inwardly go there, as you can see. But overall, the lenses are beautiful. They look very sharp. They feel great. Let me give you a couple other examples. If you're like, well, how do they look? Well, number one, I do have a German nose. My nose is a little bit bigger. So this will kind of give you the features. And my face is taller and thinner as well, potentially with your features. Okay, so let me give you like if you have a lifeguard hat on, if you're a surfer, you're just chilling. This is what they look like with a big straw rim hat on. And yes, I still have the tag on it. This is going to be like a surf bucket hat if you're playing frisbee disc golf or surfing. This is actually SPF and you wear this while you surf. I'm an older white boy. You deal with skin cancer, take precautions, use good mineral sunscreen, ladies and gentlemen. So this is what they look like with a little bucket hat. And then if you're playing pickleball, golfing with a regular hat on, this is what they look like with a regular hat, as we can see right here. Overall, very cool. Again, super beautiful lenses. I like the different two-tone look to them. Super light on my face. I like what I'm seeing. Ladies and gentlemen, just like all my videos, again, top link in the description box below will be this exact same pair of Havana rubber Prada sunglasses where you guys can pick them up yourself. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Tech reviews, DIY home projects. I did all this myself. Van life builds, and more. I thank you for your time. Once again, top link in the description box below. My name's Chris. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.